Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for another 30-second card in, sometimes it's 4 minutes, sometimes it's 5 minutes, sometimes it's more. We won't go there. But if you've never seen one of these episodes, I beg of you to go watch the very, very first one because it's the best. Anytime I need a pick-me-up, I sometimes just go watch it because it's pretty funny. Anyway, I like to laugh at myself. It's all good, right? I'm going to make a 30-second card. And my plan is to use our new Bumblebee Fold It because this is from our Fold It Club, and you know how much I love my little guy here. So I'm planning on using this cute little guy. I also grabbed, just in case, all of my bee items. So we had bumblebees come out not that long ago. So I have my stamps and my dies in here. I have I even have little cutouts already done in here. You never know. I also have the stencils that came with the bee. I just kind of have a bunch of stuff. I don't need that one, but I just have a bunch of stuff that you don't know. Maybe I'll need, maybe I won't, who knows, right? So Ken is off camera and he will be in charge of the timer. Usually he does well, but sometimes he doesn't. I'm going to get out some cutting pads just in case, so I'm ready to go. Okay, Ken. Whoa. Okay, I got to find my inner zen. Okay, whatever that means. Okay, Kenny, are you ready with the timer? Take a deep breath. On your marks. Get set. Start the time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so first of all, we are going to grab a piece of cardstock. We're going to fold it in half. We're going to lay our bee on the fold right there. So I'm going to lay him right there. I am going to grab a little bit of washi tape so I don't have to worry about him moving. I'm going to lay that down and I'm going to run this through my MIDI machine. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, you can do 2 layers through your MIDI machine. I find that the MIDI machine is a little faster because the cutting pad's not as long. So I'm going to run that baby through just like that. Now, it's going to have that funky dunky fold on the side and we're not necessarily going to want to see that. So what I'm going to do, first of all, get this off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to die cut another one. See how it has that ugly fold right there? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a regular sheet of cardstock. I'm going to trim it down just like that. And I'm going to die cut this normally, not on the fold. So I'm going to lay this down, lay that down, run it through my MIDI again. Dun, 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 just like that. Okay. So run that baby through. As I do that, I'm thinking I want to use some gold foil. So I am going to grab, see, now I can cover that and boom, now it's going to be perfect, right? So we're going to grab some gold foil. Gold, gold, gold. Oh, I need some black too. Okay, so gold foil, brand new, yay. Okay, and I'm going to add some adhesive to the back. Peel that slowly. We're going to lay this right on the back of our gold. Now this entire thing is a sticker. I'm going to take my inside bee piece, lay that down, and I'm going to run it through my die cut machine. Lay that down right there. Make sure it's still on, and I'm going to lay that down and I'm going to run that through. Grab it, grab it, grab it. There we go. Run that through. So now my bee is going to have adhesive on the gold. So I'm going to get that. So this entire thing is now a sticker. Yay. Okay, so I'm halfway there. Now I need to do the same thing but in black because I have some pieces I'm going to die cut, right? So I'm going to lay this down just like that. Run that through. That one piece is, and now that already had adhesive on the back because I grabbed it out of my special supply. So I'm going to run that through. So simple. This little guy is the cutest little guy. Okay, so now I have this guy in black and gold. Dun, dun, dun. So now I'm going to piece it together, but I can already tell I am going to want some white wings. So I am going to grab, so do we want to just do plain white? Oh, no, 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 let's do this. Silver. When in doubt, do silver glitter, right? Now, I don't have enough. Look at this. I don't have enough to get this guy on there perfect. So what am I going to do? I'm going to lay this down. Get it on the right there, and I'm gonna just cut it. Watch this, you guys. I'm gonna cut this, then I'm gonna lay this one right there so it fits on these guys, and then I'm gonna get some washi tape and I'm gonna tape it. So I'm gonna be using my scraps, but not a big piece of scraps, which is even better, right? Because we don't ever, ever, ever want to waste. So we're gonna lay that down, lay that down. Let's get another piece on here. Now this glitter paper is very thick. The best part about it though is the glitter does not come off even when you die cut it. So and you know what? I'm gonna go crazy and I'm gonna even do one on this inside because I don't wanna mess this up. There we go. I'm gonna run this through, but because this has so many layers and it's extra thick, I'm gonna run it through my MIDI twice just to make sure that I get it cut. Oh, hang on. Hold your horses here. That one's a little bit off, so let's move that one just a little bit. Okay, I think we're good now. Okay, so let's run that through. Now again, I'm gonna run it through twice. Oh, I can even tell, I can feel that it's a little bit tighter, so we're gonna run that through again. There we go, because we wanna make sure it's cut, right? That's the most important part. Okay, so now we have our silver wings. Oh my goodness, you guys. Gold and silver, you can't go wrong. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna lay this guy down first, and then we're going to grab our scissors, and I'm just going to clip these little chads, because we have these little tiny chads on there. Now, I'm gonna save this. I'm not gonna use it for this one, but I'm gonna save it in the envelope for next time. Maybe I'll want gold next time. Never ever waste them, save them. And I think we're gonna do a gold head. So we're gonna grab this, we're gonna trim this down. We're just gonna cut off his little antennas on this one. Save them because you can use them for another time. But we're going to peel this down and we're gonna add this right on top of the black, just like that, okay? Now we are going to add some body. So the first one will be black, the second one will be gold. We're just gonna add it right on top of that black. Now, the gold that I do not use, again, you're gonna save, right? Because you're going to use it for another card. So I'm gonna peel that up. See how fast it is when I have the adhesive on the back? There we go. The next one we're gonna save for the next time. And this one I'm going to grab right here, lay this down. Fastest card in the West. Maybe not quite, but probably cutest card for the amount of time I'm gonna spend on it. Okay. And then let's grab the little stinger guy right here. There we go, peel this off. Now, the only way you can get this folded is to join our Fold It Club. It is not available on our website. It is brand new this month. Our Fold It Club is a brand new club. Look at that, I just had to peel that one apart. Isn't that awesome? Now I'm gonna peel this one back. This does have the adhesive on the back. And I'm gonna add this right on top of the black. So I'm using the black kind of like as my foundation, right? Oh my word, this is gorgeous. Okay, so now we're gonna, and remember, I used my scraps for this this silver glitter. This was real scraps. I didn't even use a big piece for this, so that's awesome. I'm gonna grab this one, and I'm gonna add this one right on top, right there, just like that. And then, before I glue him down, I really, really, really want to see his little eyes better. So there is a little die in this set that is, funny thing, is actually 3 eyes. Why did Stephanie do 3 eyes? In all honesty, I did 3 because I figured you might lose one, and why die cut it again? So I gave you 3. It's crazy, I know. Chances are the reason because I was gonna lose one and I didn't want to have to go die cut it again. So I just ran those through. I will now have 3 eyes, only need 2. Yes, it's true. You could also use them for dots if you wanted to, but grab my trusty tweezers. We're gonna grab that out. I just wanted to make sure if you lost one, you would be okay. So we're gonna get this, we're gonna peel off the back, come on. Now I could also use a marker if I wanted to. There we go, grab this. We're gonna add that little black eye right there. There we go. Move it over just a little, there we go. And then we're gonna grab this one, pop him out, and hard to see on the secret weapon, huh? And we're gonna peel it off the back, there we go. Grab it with our tweezers because these little guys are tiny. Now, do you have to do the eyes separate? No, but just for fun, I said why not? So now I'm gonna peel off the back of the black completely, and Kenny, you better get ready with that timer because I'm getting really close, buddy. So I'm gonna peel this up. Remember, this is all a sticker, so that's gonna save me some time. Peel it up, get the little face off, the little antennas. Now it might possibly fall apart a little, that's okay, because remember, it has the little chads, barely holding it together. So we're going to start at the bottom, and it's a very sticky one. We're going to lay that down because we're going to have white all the way around, just like that. Line that up. There we go. Lay that down. Lay that down. Now we're going to get the head in the. There we go. Look at the little antennas, you guys. Those antennas are so intricate. You're going to love them. Laying that down. Laying that down. Now we're going to grab our card base. Remember, we made that card base that opens on the side, just like that. We're going to get our adhesive. We're going to add adhesive to this. We want to cover that ugly fold. So we're going to get our adhesive. Let's not do that on the secret weapon. Get a little on the antennas. We're going to lay this whole guy down right there. Dun, 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 dun. Now, to finish this off, because I know I don't have time, but we're going to do it anyway, we're going to add a stamp to the inside. And this is the B stamp set, B-E-E. And I'm going to say B, and this one's brand new as a matter of fact, be yourself. Okay, so we're going to say be yourself right there. We're going to ink this up. We got to find some scratch paper to stamp this on first. There's some. Ink this up, stamp once. Almost perfect. Make sure that F gets it. Okay, now we're going to ink it again. Make sure you ink all the letters. Thank you very much. Check. Oh, that B doesn't have it. There we go. Check, stamp, boom, stop. Did you stop it? Okay. And I didn't even scream on that one. That's amazing. Kenny, usually I go, stop! Okay, so look at my cute little card. Notice how things get closer and closer to me when I go fast. Okay, we'll just scoot some stuff over a little bit to make some room. All the trash. Okay, so here we go. Here's our cute little bee. And on camera, oh, there we go. Oh, you guys, look at that foil and the glitter. This is outstanding. I just want to do this all day. Look at that. Look at that. He's like flying. Okay, open it up. Be yourself. So cute. I absolutely love him. Okay, Ken, I am ready for my time. Oh, nuh-uh, really? You guys, come on. Give me a break. This is a heck of a good card. Let me just tell you that. We don't need to talk about the time. We'll just run the credits right now and boom, done. Just kidding, I'll tell you the truth. What was it? Show me again because I still can't believe it. 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Those of you watching probably already know that it was a long card, but I felt like it took 10 seconds because I feel like I got a lot done. So, give or take, Now, somebody watching is gonna post in the comments, why are you rushing? There's no rush. That's the whole shtick. Okay, that's the whole thing. The fun thing about this is how can you beat the postman or the mail lady getting to your mailbox when you have to get a card out? You're gonna make a fast card. So that's what this is. A 30-second card in 9 minutes and 40 seconds. It is what it is, let me tell you that. Well, my friends, thank you so much. If you're interested in this one, it also comes with 2 stencils in the Fold It Club. Get it while you can because once it's off this month, you know what? It's going to be a long time before you can buy it, at least a year, closer to 15 months. So thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But we wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never